Tim Curry's life after the stroke, triumph, resilience, and a legacy that lives on. Tim Curry's name is synonymous with some of the most iconic roles in cinematic history, from his portrayal of the captivating Dr. Frank-N-Furter in the Rocky Horror Picture Show to his chilling performance as Pennywise the Clown in it. With a career spanning over 5 decades, Curry has left an indelible mark on both the theater and film industries. His unmistakable voice, versatile acting skills, and larger-than-life presence have made him one of the most beloved and unique actors of his generation. But behind the glitz and glamour of Hollywood fame lies a story of profound personal struggle, resilience, and an incredible journey of recovery following a life-changing event. Today, at 76 years old, Tim Curry is still remembered fondly by his fans across the world. But the path he's walked hasn't always been smooth, and his most recent years have been marked by both triumphs and challenges. The stroke he suffered in 2012 has not only changed his life but has also brought him to a new understanding of both the fragility and the strength of the human spirit. While many may know Curry for his iconic roles, his recent years have shaped him in ways that few could imagine. Here's a deeper dive into the extraordinary life of Tim Curry and the events that have defined his journey, both on and off screen. Early years in England, a birth of talent. Timothy James Curry was born on April 19, 1946, in Grappenhall, England, a picturesque village in the heart of Cheshire. His father, James Curry, served as a Methodist chaplain in the Royal Navy, and his mother, Patricia, worked as a school secretary. The Curry family was steeped in both military tradition and intellectual rigor, setting the stage for a life that would combine creativity with discipline. However, life would soon take a difficult turn for the young Tim. When Curry was just an infant, his family relocated to Hong Kong, a move that would deeply affect the course of his life. While in Hong Kong, tragedy struck the Curry family. Tim's father, James, suffered a debilitating stroke that changed the trajectory of their lives. In the wake of his father's illness, the family moved back to England, settling in Plymouth, a coastal city known for its maritime history. Though the Curry family had endured hardship, Tim found solace in the arts. He became very close with his maternal grandfather, who played a pivotal role in his early development. Tim's grandfather was a lifelong advocate for the arts, and he encouraged the young boy's natural talent. By the age of 6, Tim was already involved in church choir performances, where his remarkable soprano voice stood out. But singing wasn't his only passion. By the time he turned 10, Curry had already participated in several Shakespearean plays, establishing a foundation for his future career as an actor. As the years passed, Curry's love for performing grew stronger, and he decided to pursue acting as a career. The decision led him to study drama and theater at Birmingham University, where he honed his craft. After graduating in 1968, Tim moved to London to continue his career in the arts, where he would soon make his mark in the world of professional theater. A Star is Born: The Rise of Tim Curry in Theater and Film. Curry's career began in earnest with his stage performances. He joined the Royal Shakespeare Company, where he gained invaluable experience working alongside some of the finest actors of his generation. His range as a performer quickly became apparent, and he earned critical acclaim for his work on the stage. But it was the role of Dr. Frank-N-Furter in the Rocky Horror Show that truly catapulted Curry to fame. The role of the charismatic and seductive alien from another planet was a true game-changer for Curry. The stage production, which first premiered in 1973, quickly became a cult phenomenon. Curry's performance was unlike anything audiences had seen before. His outrageous costumes, witty humor, and unforgettable presence created a character that would remain etched in popular culture for generations to come. In 1975, the role was immortalized in the film The Rocky Horror Picture Show, which became a cult classic that continues to be celebrated by fans to this day. Although Curry's portrayal of Dr. Frank-N-Furter earned him international fame, it also led him to worry about being typecast. For years, he was reluctant to embrace the film's legacy and would avoid discussing it in interviews. Despite his concerns about being pigeonholed, Curry's career continued to thrive. He appeared in a wide range of films and television projects, showcasing his versatility as an actor. One of his most memorable roles came in 1990 when he portrayed Pennywise the Clown in It, based on Stephen King's chilling novel. Curry's performance as the monstrous clown terrified viewers and solidified his place as one of the most iconic horror actors of all time. But Tim wasn't just a villain. His comedic timing and charming demeanor allowed him to take on roles that spanned across genres, further demonstrating his vast talent. Curry's presence on screen wasn't limited to traditional films. He made notable appearances in television shows, including The Worst Witch and The Hunt for Red October, which broadened his appeal. In addition to his film and television work, Curry continued to pursue his love of music, releasing albums throughout the 1970s. Though his music career didn't achieve the same level of commercial success as his acting, his songs, particularly I Do the Rock, gained a cult following and cemented his status as a multi-talented artist. The Stroke, a turning point in Curry's life. Despite his ongoing success, Tim Curry's life took an unexpected turn in 2012 when he suffered a debilitating stroke. The stroke left him with significant health challenges, affecting both his speech and mobility. For a period of time, Curry's family kept the news private, allowing the actor to focus on his recovery without the pressures of public attention. It wasn't until a year later that the news of his stroke was revealed to the public, sending shockwaves through the entertainment world. The recovery process for Curry was long and difficult. He faced an arduous journey of physical and speech therapy, working relentlessly to regain the ability to communicate and move freely. Although his life had been forever changed, Tim's resilient spirit never wavered. He maintained a sense of humor and kept his trademark wit intact, which helped him through some of the toughest moments of his recovery. "I've been through the storm and come out the other side," Tim said in a rare interview after his stroke. "It's been a long road, but I'm still here, and I'm grateful for that." Over the years, Tim has continued to receive therapy and support from his family and close friends. His determination to keep fighting has inspired countless people around the world who are facing their own struggles. Despite the physical limitations caused by the stroke, Curry has remained active in his community, making occasional appearances at conventions and autograph signings. His fans continue to show their unwavering love and admiration, reminding Tim of the profound impact he has had on their lives. A new chapter, life after the stroke. Today, Tim Curry lives quietly in Los Angeles. Though he never married and has no children, he is surrounded by a close circle of friends and colleagues who continue to support him. Tim's passion for reading, painting, and gardening has provided him with solace as he navigates life after the stroke. His days are filled with creative pursuits that bring him joy and peace. Curry has also continued to make appearances at fan conventions, where he is celebrated by the legions of fans who grew up with his films. His presence at these events serves as a reminder of his enduring legacy in the entertainment world. While he has stepped back from acting, his legacy as one of Hollywood's most iconic figures is secure. A legacy that lives on. Tim Curry's career and life story are a testament to the power of resilience and determination. From his early days as a young man in England with big dreams to his rise to fame as a beloved cult actor, Curry's journey has been one of triumph, transformation, and heart. His unforgettable performances will continue to inspire future generations of actors and filmmakers, and his enduring legacy will forever be etched in the history of film and theater. Though his health struggles have undoubtedly shaped his later years, Tim Curry's impact on the world is far from diminished. As he continues to live his life with grace, humor, and resilience, he remains a shining example of what it means to overcome adversity and live with purpose. Curry's legacy is not just in the roles he played, but in the strength he's shown in the face of hardship and the unwavering love he continues to receive from fans who cherish his contributions to the arts. In the end, Tim Curry's life is a story of survival, strength, and the enduring power of creativity. His journey has been filled with triumphs and challenges, but one thing remains clear: Tim Curry is an actor whose influence will continue to live on for years to come. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more stories.